Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to generate a random numerical password and if there's more than 3 digits in it, it's okay, but if there's less than 3 digits, they won't have it. So basically we're going to generate a random password. If it's greater than 3 digits, it's okay, but if it's 3 digits or less, then the generator won't accept it. So we're just going to start off now. So I'm going to import a module here from random import random integer. So that's from the random number generator package. Okay, I'm going to make a little list here for password, which is empty. Okay, and I'm going to create a little file to generate the password. So we're going to call it generate password. So generate password like that. That's the first line. So that's completely readable. If somebody looks at our code, they'll know what that's all about. So we're going to do random number is equal to this is our little variable. Random number is equal to rand int from the package we just imported. I'm going to say, let's say a number from 1 to, I don't know, 5000. Okay, it doesn't really matter. This is just an example program. Okay, so I'm going to get some user input. So my number is equal to input. Okay. And I'm going to say generate random password, and yes or no. Okay, so the user just types in yes or no if they want to generate a random number, random password. So here we go to the conditional. So if my number dot lower, so what my number dot lower is equal to yes. Remember the dot lower there. Anything the person enters into the input box will be reduced to lowercase, so there's no errors in the program. So if my number dot lower is equal to yes, we've got to do something. But we're going to put another if statement in here, a nested one. So if random number is greater than, let's say 999, so if it's greater than that, the random number that the user inputted, we're going to do something. So that's going to be password dot append. And this is going to be the password dot append in random number. Append random number. So basically, if the number that the user enters is greater than 999, we're going to place it in there. Okay, so the next one, and we're going to print the user a message as well, because we like to keep the user informed. So this, let's say, is your new password. I know a real life program wouldn't show you your new password that you've inputted. But because of this program, it's just an example program, I want to show you that it's actually working. So we put the password here, so it'll print that out for you. Right, and now we're going to do another condition in here. I'm going to use the elif, else if, elif, random number is less than 999, and we're going to do something. So if it's less than, we're going to print password. Let's print password too short. Okay, and then we're going to do generate password. We're going to go back to the beginning, give the the user another chance to input something else. So we're going to go back to the beginning. So we're going to use generate password. Okay, so we'll go back to the beginning, and we're going to do one last else statement here. This is our catch all. Else print by. So if the user here doesn't want to, if the user selects no up here, it's just going to exit the program. So print by. Okay. Right, and then type the quit command in there to quit the program. Okay, and because this is a function, as always, we've got to call it. If you don't call it and you try and run it, nothing will happen. So we're going to call it using this generate password. So generate password. Okay, so now we're just going to save it. Hopefully everything will run smoothly if I've not made any typos or anything like that. Okay, so let's run the program. Okay, let's just widen it a little bit. So generate a random password. Yes, of course. Okay, so it's generated a random password for me there. Okay. Right, your new password is it's generated that. Okay, let's try it again, and this time let's click the no option. So generate a random password. No. Okay. So it's not quit. Okay, can anybody spot what I did wrong there? It's the indentation, so that's going to be else there. So we're going to have to just line up the indentation again. You have to be careful with this in Python, because things won't run or it'll complain and bitch like hell if you get it wrong. So let's just save that again, and let's just run. Okay, generate. No, I don't want to. No. Okay, there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. It's working. Okay, so we quit the program there. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel, and of course give me a like for it. It will help me out with the algorithm and everything. So as always, I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.